Oh yeah, that you like that one. I was going to review that worm thing coming out of the moon again.
Please do, bro. I want to know what the hell that was because
Yeah, and
I've been trying to like figure out. Okay, is this like a natural phenomenon or is this actually a being of some kind that we're seeing?
yeah. Oops. Let me
You know what I'm saying? That's a terrifying thought.
put the screen.
Really, I love this stuff. I'm glad you brought it up.
Yeah, this one. Okay, so what am I doing here? Oh, what am I doing?
I also wanted to ask you when you watch this video, for you guys in the chat or whatever that haven't seen it yet, I want you to pay attention to the way this thing attaches itself and detaches from the moon itself. And tell me, when it's attached to the moon, does it
Yeah.
not look like the moon? Doesn't it like look like it's disguising itself as the surface of the moon? And then as it flies off, it changes. Tell me what you guys see and what you think about it, because I thought that's the way I see it. Anyway.
I will post the original video.
Yeah, and I'll go frame by frame here too.
It could be.
Yeah,
it could be plasmatic. It could be some kind of electricity type thing, right?
Well, I think too, but there's also more. You see, there's one there, one there.
The whole ship is attached to it, like they're suckling on it, like it's some kind of thing they can eat. It's weird.
I wish I knew this was happening when I was recording it, because I would have been able to get more, probably.
Right,
you know?
right. Yeah, you didn't notice it, obviously. It just kind of popped in there because huh? Oh, you didn't?
Yeah, no, I didn't. I didn't even know this happened until I was live with Russian Vids on Skype, and he noticed this.
Oh, I thought maybe I was the first one to notice it, but it doesn't matter. But yeah. But I thought it was pretty interesting. I was blown away when I saw that. I was like, and that little laser beam thing. I didn't know you were shooting a laser. I had no idea. When I saw that blue flash, I was like, maybe that caused that to happen.
Well, that's what I mean. Yeah. So I want to try to do that again, but I don't know if I can ever see those things again, or my laser had something to do with it, or what. But
yeah,
if that happened because of my laser, then I was interacting with the moon, and that is a crazy thought to even think of.
That means you absolutely nailed it, which means it is something solid, or at least it affects things.
Yeah, or we can.
Yeah, so weird. I seen that. I was like, what the hell, Mikey? What? I didn't even know you were playing with lasers that day.
Yeah.
Weird. Doesn't it look like the moon itself is moving? Like it looks like it's almost like it's I don't know. Dude, I mean, how maybe that's just the angle that you have so you can see it, right?
Yeah.
But look how it seems to be moving, like it's drifting up and down. It's moving.
Yeah, my camera was on a tripod. That was with the. Did I have the P1000 at that time? I think no. Maybe. What was the P1000?
I'm not sure exactly because I think it was an older video.
Yeah, it probably would have been 900. I think maybe.
It is trippy.
But this is, and like I said, it flies way out. And this is not the original video. Well, this is the original video, but this is a recording of my computer screen with my phone. And it comes back over to this left. Yeah, it comes down to the left there. And so there's something going on here. Whoops. What did I do there? Wrong button there, yeah. So like it goes way out. You can still see it there flying.
The person told me that he witnessed something that he never thought he would see before. He said that he was watching the horizon when the sun was coming up, and he said, or when it was going down, and he said he saw the stars moving from below the horizon and moving up into position, like as it got light out. He said he witnessed that. I'm like, dude, what are you talking about? He goes, no, I'm serious. He goes, I seen stars coming from different directions, moving into place, and then stopping in the spot where they're supposed to be, and then that's what became the sky the rest of the night. I'm like, you're kidding me. He's like, no, I'm dead serious. And I'm starting to think
that was probably some phenomenon happening due to the moisture or something. That can't be happening.
I know, right? That's what I was thinking. It's like,
because again, everybody would see that, not just him, you know.
Right. But I don't doubt that he did see something. But yeah, it makes me wonder.
Yeah,
like,
that would have been some kind of weird phenomenon happening at that point or something.
But these wiggly things are definitely got my attention.
Oh yeah, no, this is freaking. See, like you can see right there. You can see there's one there. They all look like figure eights or something. Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's some up here.
They seem to stay still when they're attached. It's really weird, bro.
Yeah. Oh,
Really
I want to get that. I gotta start looking at the moon more often. Oh, oh, yeah, that.
was cool though. It's almost like you did hit the moon. It does look like that beam actually does reflect somewhat, doesn't it? Or pull it down a little bit more, can you? Right there. See how it does seem to be light up the face of the moon somehow,
Oh,
or
yeah.
whatever. You call that.
Yeah. Or even
Or
up
is it?
here, it almost turns blue at the top there
Yeah,
too.
it does kind of, doesn't it? Or is it just my mind?
I don't
Or is
know.
it just, or is it just the angle of the beam coming this way that makes it seem
Yeah,
that way?
it could be. I don't know,
But it is weird how you hit it. You hit the laser hits and boom, that thing pops right off of there.
yeah, I know. I know.
You know, like it's like literally timed perfectly, bro. There's no argument. That's definitely like I would say that was a reaction.
Yeah, yeah. See, like blue laser thing appears off the moon right there. Literally, literally a frame later.
That's crazy. It's so wide, bro. But you know, like it started out as this little tiny laser beam, and then it.
Yeah.
What kind of beam? What kind of was it? A green one or a blue one or what color was it?
Yeah, 7-watt blue one. Yeah, 7-watt blue one.
Oh, okay. One of them really bright ultraviolet ones. Yeah, those are awesome. I got one of those too.
Yeah.
You can burn holes and stuff with it. Yeah, it's fun.
But yeah, that's crazy. Literally, the next frame, laser, and then thing appears within the next frame. You know. Well, it's not even there, and then it appears. What the heck?
Reaction thing, because I've seen things in the sky react to me before too with the same laser.
Yeah.
I've seen lights moving around that I know wasn't a plane because planes aren't allowed to turn their lights off, right?
Oh,
so
sure.
The thing turned the lights out and then changed colors and then moved again. I was like, that's not an airplane. I hit it with a laser and it turned around and looked at me. It scared the shit out of me too. It really did. It scared me because I knew it. It literally just like I could see a beam of light pointing around, like at the ground and around, like it was looking for something. And then it looked at me and the light went out and I ran in the house. It scared me. I was like, I know it's not a helicopter. I know it's not an airplane. So what in the hell could it be that it actually shined a light at me, like it identified where I was, and then it just shut the light off and then it disappeared. It was almost like I'm letting you know that I know you're there. You know what I'm saying? It scared me a little bit. It's probably my exaggeration, but I know what I saw. You know what I'm saying? And it was crazy, bro. It was really crazy.
Well, I know. Yeah, just odd things happen to people once in a while, and things happen to me because I'm always outside doing things. You know, like
if you watch the sky a lot, you're gonna see stuff like this.
Yeah,
yeah.
But what? I wonder if that's on the if there is a backside to that. I wonder if that's on the the inside of the apple skin, type of thing.
Right.
Look at that. Just crazy.
I wonder if it's not like literally a picture of something that's being beamed up there. I don't know. Because if you think about it, if the moon was just an image that they were superimposing into a lens in the sky, let's just say for an argument's sake, okay, and the actual physical part of the lens actually had bugs on it, right?
Yeah.
And you beam light through that lens down to here, so where you could see it from your position, wouldn't that be what it would look like? The reflection of light coming off the bug as it flew off? You know what I'm saying? Maybe that's what we're seeing. Maybe it's something like that. I don't know. I can't figure this out. It's really confusing to me. Like how this explains anything. You know what I mean? It's just more like, okay, now I understand any more than I did before.
Yeah, it makes it more confusing. Yeah.
But it is.
That's it. I'm going to start recording that moon more. And see, that was my binocular.
Other videos. I have caught a couple other videos where there's these. You don't see them jump off, but you do see them clinging on there.
Yeah. So there's it is way off the moon.
I want to know how come the surface changes.
Yeah.
It's just strange, bro. It's like a chameleon or something.
It almost looks like there's almost I don't know if this is one or if it's two stacked on top of each other or side by side, like standing in line at Walmart type of thing,
Right. Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah. Because they kind of phase out when you try to zoom in on their like blurry and stuff.
Yeah. But
they definitely show up. They're definitely there.
Yeah.
But they don't look like they're part of the moon. They look like they're maybe not part. You know what I mean? Like they're attaching themselves to whatever that is.
Yeah. Huh. Just psycho.
It could be that they're in water too. That would explain why they move the way they do. But I don't even know. I'm just trying to think of all the different things that you could like all the angles you think of, like how this could show and make us figure out what the moon is and how it works. But by the life of me, I cannot.
I would sure like to, if I ever take the, if I ever go to trial with space agency, I'd love for them to explain to this one.
Yeah, I would too. I would love to hear what they have to say. Like if they're being serious, of course.
Yeah, yeah.
I'd rather pick some general, like meet some general or something at some get together and just ask him, like show him the video and then be like, what do you think this is? Like we're just curious. What do you think this is?
Yeah.
Some kind of anomaly that we should know about?